All right, just picked it up with the shop, and I'm really glad I ended up painting the side markers. They blend in really well. They did a really good job at paint matching. You can barely even see that they're there. They do stick out ever so slightly, but a lot less than I thought. And like I said, I've had them ghosted, so you can kind of see the line where it doesn't have an extra coat of paint. But I went with this option because I didn't want the LEDs to show through, which I thought kind of looked cheap. And from the videos I saw, they were pretty darn bright, and I didn't want them to be that flashy. There's the rear, but they just camouflage really well. I'm going to be doing a shot at night here in a second, but this is what it looks like in the shadows. There's that one. And this one. Again, I made this video because not a lot of videos online show what they look like or how bright they are when they've been ghosted, as they say. But I am very pleased. All right, it is officially dusk. You can definitely see the markers now. They be popping bright, but not too bright. Then on the back, looks a little orange on the camera, but it is more red in person. I'm liking it so far. Next shot we'll see is in the evening when it's completely dark. All right, it is officially dark. Got some lights in the background, but you can see how bright it is. Still shines on the ground, but not as much as it would have been if I wouldn't have had them ghosted. There's the front. Really, really happy with how they came out. If you live in Washington, I recommend going to Vital Energy Motorsports. They're in Burien. They did an amazing job, took their time, reasonably priced. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to publish this because I didn't really see a lot of videos on what the ghosted Oracle LED lights look like on the C7 Z06. So stay tuned for more videos.